Hi, my name is Megan Howell and I work with the Origami Air Art Studio here in Sarasota, Florida. So today I'm going to be teaching a free tutorial remotely for the studio. And so you don't need origami paper for this. In fact, I'm going to show you how to make your own origami paper. So we have a piece of scrap paper. This is regular computer paper. So take anything, whether it's a receipt or old homework or just something that you don't need, and this will do just fine. Most origami comes from the basic perfect square, so that's what we're going to make. Although some models might call for hexagons, pentagons, or even circles, but we're not going to get into that just yet. So you have your paper here. What we're going to do is this edge right here, we're going to bring this edge to this edge. So fold it over gently. You want to line the edges as best as you can and pay mind to this point right here. So you want to make sure that's perfect. Take your time. And when it looks good after you've folded it, now give it a crease. It should look like that. Great. Now you have two options. You can either just cut this portion off here, or you can do it the origami style and fold it, and I'm going to demonstrate that. So this line here, I'm going to backwards fold. And match up those lines to where it looks like this. I'd like to point out, so let's start learning some origami vocabulary, because it is its own world and it has its own vocabulary. So when you fold something, you can have a valley fold. That's a valley fold. Or like what we're going to do is we're going to reverse that fold. Now making it a mountain. So now we're going to reverse that fold again, making another valley, and then make another mountain, and maybe do it one more time. So this is the same concept as a perforated check. Now we're going to take, and I like to start at this wider edge because you have more control, there's more surface area, and we're just going to gently pull it so it rips off in lieu of scissors, but you can use scissors too if you like, that's fine. So now we have this triangle, and when you open it, you have a perfect square. So this is the base for a lot of origami, so this is a good start. So please stay tuned as we'll be producing more videos, and we'll see you soon.